Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Are you dreaming of hitting the open road on two wheels without breaking the bank? I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing my top tips on how to travel cheaply with bikes. Ready? Let's roll. First up, choosing the right bike. You don't need a top-of-the-line model to explore. Look for a sturdy, reliable second-hand bike. Check out local classifieds, thrift stores, or even online marketplaces. A well-maintained used bike can save you hundreds of dollars. Next, let's talk about gear. You don't need fancy, expensive gear to start your biking adventure. Prioritize essentials like a helmet, lights, and a good lock. For carrying your stuff, panniers and bike trailers are great, but you can improvise with backpacks and bungee cords. Remember, it's all about creativity and making the most of what you have. Accommodation can be a big expense, but it doesn't have to be. Consider camping to save money. Many national parks and campgrounds offer affordable rates. If camping isn't your thing, look into budget options like hostels or even couch surfing. There are tons of online communities where you can connect with fellow travelers willing to offer a free spot to crash. Now food, eating out can quickly drain your wallet. Instead, stock up on groceries and make your own meals. Opt for easy-to-pack, non-perishable items like nuts, dried fruits, and instant noodles. And don't forget your reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and avoid buying expensive bottled water. Transportation costs can add up, but with a bike, you're in luck. Biking not only saves money on gas and public transport, but it's also eco-friendly. If you need to travel long distances, look for bike-friendly transportation options like trains or buses. Some services even offer discounts for cyclists. Lastly, always plan ahead. Research your route, know where you're going, and have a backup plan. Use apps and online resources to find the best bike paths, free attractions, and budget-friendly spots. Knowledge is power, and preparation can save you tons of money. There you have it! Traveling on a budget with your trusty bike is totally doable and incredibly rewarding. Embrace the adventure, stay flexible, and most importantly, have fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and tricks. Until next time, happy travels!